I am going to take English for you. So this is a new lesson, means new poem after the exam. Okay children. So if you have English textbook, please take your English textbook and open page number 88. Okay children. So page number 88. So this is, in this poem we can learn about trees. So the poem name is Trees Are a Lot Like Us. Means trees are like human beings. So this poem is written by Michael Mitchell. So I am going to read the poem. Listen carefully. I would like to take a walk in the woods. Come with me. Do you think you could? We will find a tree that we can climb. We will have fun all afternoon. Little trees need a chance to grow. It takes time and care. They are a lot like us, you know. So many kinds of different trees. They look like one big family. Big ones, short ones, baby ones, too. I will name this one after you. It will be a long time before he is tall and strong like a grown-up tree. For now, he is just a kid like us playing out in woods. So this is a poem about trees. So this poet is liking to take a walk in the woods. Means there will be some all trees, no? So that poet is liking to take a walk. So he is calling for us also to come to that place where we will find a tree and we can climb on the tree and we can have fun for all the afternoon. Okay children. So the poet is saying that he likes to walk in the woods and is asking to come for us also, and we can find a tree that we can climb and have fun for all the afternoons. Little trees need a chance to grow. It takes time and care. They are lot like us, you know. So this small trees is there, no? They want a chance to grow, and to grow it takes time and it needs care also. Just as a human being is taking care for a child to grow and is taking care, so how it must be baby, how we must look after. So like that, this tree also takes time and care. So they are also like us only. Next, so many kinds of different trees. They look like one big family. Big ones, short ones, baby ones, too. I will name this one after you. So this poet is saying that there are so many different kinds of trees. So many trees like a coconut tree, banyan tree, mango tree, apple tree, like that. So all together join, it look like a big family. So let it be big, let it be short, let it be like a young baby. So we will name this one after you, that author is saying. Let it be big one, let it be short one, let it be baby ones. So we will name this all the trees. Next, it will be a long time before he He is tall and strong like a grown up tree, for now he is just a kid like us playing out in woods. So, this poet is saying that the short ones is there, no, it will take long time to grow, and it is tall and strong like a grown up tree, but now it is just a small one like a baby ones, and it's need time to grow long and tall, and it will be strong, so we can play in the woods. So the poet is saying like that. Okay children, I'll read with spellings. Listen carefully. I would, like, TO2, TAKE take, WALK walk, INN THE WOODS woods, COME come, WITH with, me, DO YOUU, THINK think, YOUU, COULD could, WE''LL we will, FIND find, TREE tree, THAT dot, WECAN can, CLIMB climb, W'LL we will, HAV have, FUN fun, ALL all, AFTR NOON afternoon. Next para, LITTLE little, TREES trees, NEED need, CHANCE chance, TO2 GROW grow, IT TAKES takes, TIME time, and CARE care, THEY apostrophe ORE they are, LOT lot, LIKE like, US us, YOUU KNOW no, SOSO MANY many, KINDS kinds, OF of, DIFFE or ENT different, TREES trees, THEY they, LOOK look, LIKE like, ONE BIG big, FAMILY family, BIG big, ONES once, SHOT short, ONES once, BABY baby, ONES once, TOO two, big ones, short ones, baby ones two, I''LL I will, NAME name, THIS this, ONE1 AFTE after, YOUU I will name this one after you. Next, IT''LL it will, BELONG long, TIME time, BEFOR before, HEIS is, TALL tall, and STRONG strong, LIKE like, GROWN grown, UP up, TRE tree, for, NOW now, HE''S is, JUST just, KID kid, LIKE like, US us, PLAYING playing, OUT out, INN WOODS woods. Once again I am going to read this poem. I would like to take a walk in the woods. Come with me. Do you think you could? We will find a tree that we can climb. We will have fun all afternoon. Little trees need a chance to grow. It takes time and care. They are a lot like us, you know. So many kinds of different trees. They look like one big family. Big ones, short ones, baby ones too. I will name this one after you. It'll be a long time before he is tall and strong like a grown up tree. For now, he is just a kid like us playing out in woods. So, this poem was written by Michael Mitchell. Okay, children. Next page. Here they are given underline the correct answer. So the question is, the poet compares a tree to dash. So three options are given: God, a human being, and animal. So the poet compares the tree to human being. B1 is the correct answer. Next, second one. We will have fun all afternoon. We here refers to A1 the poet and the reader, B1 you and the teacher, C1 the reader and the tree. So which is correct, children? So the poet and the reader. Next, third one. I would like to take a walk in the woods means A1 the poet likes to take a walk on the wooden board. The poet likes to take a walk in the forest. The poet likes to walk with wooden shoes. So A1 is the correct. Sorry. B1 the poet likes to take a walk in the forest. Okay, children. Now answer the following here given. What will be fun all afternoon according to the poet? So climbing a tree will be the fun all afternoon according to the poet. Second, what do the little trees need to grow? So little trees need a chance to grow and it needs time and care to grow. Third one, who looks like a big family to the poet? So many different kinds of trees looks like a big family to the poet. Next here they are given identify and write the words from the poem that end with the same sounds as the words given below. Grow, he. So grow means grow, no. Next, to, you. Next, he, tree. Next, as, woods. So this is the same sound. Okay, children. So you have any doubt, children? So I think you could have understood this poem. So I am giving notes also. So please write the notes in the classwork neatly. Okay, children. Thank you.